What's up, blooms? Welcome back to my channel. In the previous video, I showed you guys how I pampered my natural hair before installing a protective style, and today I'm going to be blow drying using my Revair. So right now I'm just going in with some heat protectant. I'm adding a generous amount to each section just to make sure that I don't get any heat damage. Now I'm just smoothing in the heat protectant spray to make sure that it's evenly coating my hair. As I'm applying the heat protectant, I'm also slightly finger detangling just to make it a little bit easier to detangle. I don't like using combs on my wet hair, so you'll see me finger detangling for the most part, but once my hair is stretched using the blow dryer, I will be using the comb to further detangle. After applying the heat protectant to each sections, I'm going over one more time and just spraying a little bit more for good measure. Now I'm just working the product through my hair to make sure that it's evenly distributed. I want my hair to be very stretched, so I'm using the Revair on the number 7 setting, and I'm also using it on high speed. In order to get the best results with this blow dryer, you want to work on smaller sections. I'm starting off in the back, and this is what my hair is looking like after a few seconds in the dryer. I have a couple of other videos on my channel showing how I use the Revair. Feel free to check out those videos as well. Besides using the Revair, another way that I like to stretch my hair is by doing the tension method. I have a video showing how I do that as well, and I'll link it in the cards. What I like about this blow dryer is that it gets my hair stretched with minimal effort. I did add a lot of heat protectant to my hair, but something I wanted to mention with this dryer is that when you're using it, your hair doesn't feel hot or like it's being burnt at all. Even though I have it on the highest setting, when my hair comes out of the dryer, it doesn't feel hot. So this is what the first section is looking like. My hair has shine and feels smooth, and now I'm just going to work on the other sections. When it comes to getting a protective style, let me know in the comments how you like to stretch your hair. Do you like to blow dry, or do you like to use the banding method? Let me know. So I'm halfway through blow drying my hair, and y'all, look at the shrinkage. The shrinkage is so real. I'm all done blow drying, and now I'm just detangling my hair a little bit more. I like how I was able to get my hair very stretched with this blow dryer, and now I'm just going through and just making sure to get rid of any knots or tangles, and then I'll show y'all a little bit of the shed hair that I got from this process. So now I'm going to show y'all how I preserve this blowout. I am going to be getting a trim, so I want to make sure that my hair is still stretched. I'm just adding in these 2 chunky twists to keep the blowout from reverting. So that is it for today's video, y'all. I hope you guys enjoyed my blowout using the Revair. In the next video, I'm going to show y'all how I get my ends trim, and then finally my protective style. Yeah.